Hot flushes are sudden feelings of warmth that spread over the upper body, especially the face, neck, and chest. They are one of the most common symptoms of menopause, the time when a woman's periods stop for good. Hot flushes can also happen to women who have their ovaries removed or who undergo chemotherapy. Hot flushes are caused by changes in hormone levels, particularly estrogen, which affect the part of the brain that regulates body temperature. When estrogen levels drop, the brain thinks the body is too hot and tries to cool it down by widening the blood vessels near the skin. This causes more blood to flow to the surface, creating a red flush and making you sweat. Sometimes, you may also feel your heart beating faster or have chills after a hot flush. Hot flushes can vary in frequency, intensity, and duration. Some women may have them several times a day, while others may have them only occasionally. Some may feel a mild warmth, while others may feel a burning sensation. Some may have them for a few seconds, while others may have them for several minutes. Hot flushes can affect your quality of life, your sleep, and your mood. They can make you feel embarrassed, uncomfortable, or anxious. There are different ways to manage hot flushes and reduce their impact on your well-being. Some lifestyle changes, such as avoiding triggers like stress, caffeine, alcohol, and spicy foods, wearing loose clothing made of natural fabrics, keeping your room cool, and using fans or cold packs can help you cope with hot flushes. Some natural remedies, such as soy products or black cohosh, may also have some benefits for some women. However, you should always consult your doctor before taking any supplements or herbs. The most effective treatment for hot flushes is hormone replacement therapy, HRT, which replaces the estrogen that your body no longer produces. HRT can prevent hot flushes from occurring for many women and also help with other menopausal symptoms like vaginal dryness and mood swings. However, HRT is not suitable for everyone, and it has some risks and side effects that you should discuss with your doctor. Hot flushes are not a sign of illness or disease, but a normal part of the menopause transition. They usually fade away over time as your body adjusts to the new hormone levels. However, if they bother you or interfere with your daily life, you don't have to suffer in silence. There are options available to help you deal with hot flushes and enjoy this new phase of your life. The new drug for hot flushes is called fezolinetant, and it has been recently approved by the FDA under the brand name Veozah. Fezolinetant belongs to a class of drugs called neurokinin 3 receptor antagonists, which block receptors in the brain that play a role in the regulation of body temperature. Fezolinetant works by reducing the activity of a brain chemical called neurokinin B, which is involved in triggering hot flushes during menopause. By blocking the neurokinin 3 receptors that neurokinin B binds to, fezolinetant prevents the signals that cause the blood vessels to dilate and the sweat glands to secrete, resulting in less frequent and less severe hot flushes. Fezolinetant is taken once a day as a pill, and it has been shown to significantly reduce the number of hot flushes and night sweats that women experience per week compared to placebo. In clinical trials that included more than 3,000 women in the US and Canada, fezolinetant reduced the frequency of hot flushes by about 50% after 4 weeks of treatment, and by about 60% after 12 weeks of treatment. Fezolinetant also improved the severity of hot flushes and the quality of life of women who took it. Fezolinetant is considered a major development for menopause treatment because it offers a non-hormonal option for women who cannot or do not want to take hormone therapy. Hormone therapy can be effective for treating hot flushes, but it also carries some risks such as blood clots, stroke, heart attacks, and some kinds of cancer. Fezolinetant does not affect the levels of estrogen or progesterone in the body, and it has fewer side effects than hormone therapy. The most common side effects of fezolinetant are headache, nausea, dizziness, and fatigue. Fezolinetant is the first approved drug of its kind, but there are other neurokinin 3 receptor antagonists in development for menopause treatment. These drugs may have different dosages, formulations, or mechanisms of action than fezolinetant. More research is needed to compare their safety and efficacy with fezolinetant and other existing therapies for hot flushes. Fezolinetant is a new drug that has been approved by the FDA to treat hot flushes in menopause. It is the first drug of its kind that targets a brain chemical called neurokinin B, which helps to regulate body temperature. Fezolinetant works by blocking neurokinin B receptors in the brain and restoring the balance between estrogen and neurokinin B, which is disrupted during menopause. By doing so, it reduces the frequency and intensity of hot flushes and night sweats, which are common symptoms of menopause that affect about 80% of women. Fezolinetant has some advantages over other treatments for hot flushes, such as hormone replacement therapy, HRT, and antidepressants. HRT is the most effective treatment for menopause symptoms, but it is not suitable for everyone. Some women cannot take HRT because they have a history of breast cancer, blood clots, stroke, or heart disease. Others may not want to take HRT because of the potential side effects, such as weight gain, breast tenderness, mood swings, and increased risk of certain cancers. Antidepressants are another option for treating hot flushes, but they may also cause side effects such as nausea, drowsiness, sexual dysfunction, and withdrawal symptoms. Fezolinetant is a non-hormonal and non-antidepressant medication that can be safely used by most women who suffer from hot flushes. It has been shown to be effective in reducing hot flush frequency by more than 50% and severity by more than 40% in clinical trials involving over 1,000 women with moderate to severe hot flushes. It has also been shown to improve sleep quality and reduce interference with daily activities caused by hot flushes. The most common side effects of fezolinetant are abdominal pain, diarrhea, insomnia, back pain, and increased liver enzymes. These side effects are usually mild and transient and do not require discontinuation of the drug. Fezolinetant is a major breakthrough for menopause treatment because it offers a new way to address the underlying cause of hot flushes without hormones or antidepressants. It is expected to be available in the U.S. market by the end of 2023 under the brand name Veozah. It could potentially benefit millions of women who suffer from hot flushes and improve their quality of life during menopause.